Alright, this is the easy way to replace CRZ door handles. Because motherfuckers got too many damn steps on YouTube. You ain't need all the shit. I got the chrome. It's on the driver's side too. Alright, we all know those steps. Hit those bolts. Take those out. Don't forget to take that part out. This thing. There's gonna be a screw right there. Hit that screw up, and then we can take the door panel off. Also make sure you remove that. Those little panel curtain sides, whatever, before we move the whole panel. Alright, I didn't have to video save all this. You guys just seen, self-explanatory. Make sure you unplug your light down there, and then panels off. Alright, now you need to loosen this bolt, and that'll take off the window sleeve. As you see, our door handle in the mechanism, there's a screw there, and it's also a screw here that connects that bracket that holds it in place. This is the easy way, guys. Alright, I got the little thing out. As you can see, I removed both the bracket and exposed the hole. That's the broken one. This one on this side, it was about to break. My driver's side is already gone, but this is the mechanism that came with the new one, but I transferred the old one because I did it on the driver's side too. I just went with the OEM. So this is the part where in a lot of other videos they want you to take out the whole lock and all that stuff. Yeah, I'm not doing all that. You have to really finesse this thing back on with the bracket. So I'm gonna grab the bracket because I left it in there. Quick reminder, you have to feel this out because the bracket, this is that screw right here from that hole that we loosened. That's it. And it connected right there. So it fits on inside like this here. Actually, no, opposite door. So I'm thinking about yesterday. So it slides on like this. And it lines up with that hole. With that, I got a new bolt on mine, so it lines up like this inside the door. So I'm going to take this off, and I'm going to use both hands and slide this in like that. I'm gonna set it up. The bracket sits like this. I'm gonna go in, and then I'm gonna finesse the bracket inside, and then put the lock mechanism back into the hole, hold it, and tack it back on. Show you when I'm done. All right, so I went ahead and set the door handle in. As you can see in there that it's just hanging loosely. So I'm going to take the bracket and I'm going to finesse it and slide it around where it should be. And after it's in place, I'm going to try to put the lock mechanism in and then screw it back together. So give me a second. I can't really show you this. I need both hands. Quick reminder, remember to loosen this screw before we finesse it back in there, because that's where we're going to need to tighten the bracket around. Alright, as you can see, I was able to get the bracket on to that screw. I got it set back in there. I am using a 10mm socket and also a T10 Allen wrench. Y'all call it a hex, whatever. Alright, I got it on, as you can see. So the trick to get that screw in, when you don't have to take it off all the way, just loosen it up completely so you can fit the bracket around it. Took me a minute to get it, but I got it. And now they have to take off all that other stuff. And we're done. Remember, loosen that screw enough where you could jimmy or slide the bracket onto it. That way it lines up with both holes. And I'm done. Didn't have to take out all that stuff. Like all those other videos. Like taking out all that shit. Like, done. Subscribe if you want. I don't care. This is the driver's side, just for show. I could have got the black. They didn't have my color, so I just went with the chrome. Because the match makes sense. And who cares? Who gives a fuck anymore? World's ending anyway.